actually did load it up, but somehow it went down again. So we have to wait until this thing is loaded, and it can be sort of. Yeah, the horses are getting ready. Now with the prizes, we've got, as we said, we've got 3 or 9 prizes. So 3 horses, number 1, 2, and 3. So you really have to make sure to follow the horses and which one's going to win. Number 3, like the 3rd fastest horse. We've got beautiful little creatures. No, yeah. Beautiful platypus from Melbourne.
Horses.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So if horse number 3, if you have horse number 3, you will win a real Melburnian platypus. For the horses number 2, you've been drinking beautiful Victorian wine. Of course, we have to have presents, bottles of wine. And we've got a really nice Melbourne apron as well, so you never will forget that you've been at a Melbourne function. And it's a bottle of Brown Brothers, of course, and a very nice black stylish Melbourne apron. And the main prize, we've got laptop bags. Laptop bags from a company which is called Crumpler Bags. Crumpler being founded in Melbourne in a little shop actually, and there used to be these bike guys couriers bags. They're now pretty famous. We're very proud that they sort of started in Melbourne. And we've got, yes, exactly, very Melbourne style with some goodies in there. So it's really worthwhile waiting for the horses. I still have to talk a lot because I've just been told you have to wait until the whole red thingo has been loaded. That's why I actually put it up before we even went to dinner, but I think it probably went down again. So I got everyone excited, and now we have to wait to see the race properly. Any questions?